Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the DOOGEE S80 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because obviously it is required for downloading something, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then we can enter the Play Store. Now all we have to do is to simply tap on this three bars icon in the left upper corner and tap on My Apps and Games. As you can see, we are on the updates, and here we've got the full list of all updates pending. And of course you can update all of those apps just by tapping on this green button Update All. But if you'd like to update only one of it or two of them, nothing easier, just find it in the list, for example Gmail, and tap on Update next to it. As you can see, it immediately disappears, but it appears at the very top of the list. Right now it is downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So actually you do not need to do anything. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your DOOGEE S80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.